Matthew 14:7 birthday plate. Hush. Candles glare like crosshairs over a palace of glass. Little feet spin decisions that they learn from past. We watch the feast, we watch the fashions, but nobody asked. She danced on the margin, ribbon tied to a request. Mother whisper like religion, plant the seed in the chest. King laugh, his cup fraught with the clink of cheap praise. He traded prophet's mouth for the comfort of the praise. Places silver edge reflection cut in two. One side the crown, one side the blood blue. Young youth move like a marionette, finger points like a judge. But what school taught her to bargain with the prophet's blood? I see the streets and I all border justice for a show. I see a city take a knee where truth used to grow. Birthday candles blow, a prayer lost in smoke. You traded backbone for applause, and the mirror goes broke.